Civil Engineering Department of UET Lahore is famous due to its practical performance to enhance skills in students through complex projects. In one of our courses of structure analysis, we have been given a project under the guidance and supervision of Associate Professor Dr. Rizwan Azam to analyze and design basement roof structure for determinate and indeterminate steel beams and picking the more economical and safer option. Today we will analyze both simply supported and continuous beam for basement roof structure and select the more economical option. If the slab is placed on top of the beam, then load is transferring to the beam through one-way or two-way system, also known as one-way or two-way slab. For our case, system is of one-way. This shaded region is transferring load to a specified beam. This is the section view of our basement. Basically, we have two options. Either provide 6 15-foot long simply supported beams which are not continuous over interior columns, or provide 3 30-foot long beams which are continuous over interior columns. The dead load is 20 pounds per feet squared and the live load is 100 pounds per feet squared, given in the project statement. Adding these two and multiplying by the width, which is 12 feet 6 inches, we get the total load, which is 1.5 kip per feet. Our simply supported and continuous beams would now look like this. But according to the knowledge of design of steel structures, we always use factored load combination equations to get the worst applied load effect. We also assume self-weight of beam at the start. Now our total load is 2.33 kip per feet. Our simply supported and continuous beams would now look like this. Now we analyze a simply supported beam to get the maximum shear and moment values, following the same procedure for the continuous beam and getting the maximum shear and moment values. Now we design the steel beams, but there is a problem of lateral torsional buckling in the compression flange of I-shaped section. To avoid this, we continuously brace it with the wooden beams placed on top of the steel beams. Because in the project statement, clear spacing between wooden beams are not mentioned, but if we use judgment as per given figure, it shows too much wooden beams on each span. So this indicates that the compression flanges of steel beams are continuously supported with the basement roof. Now the final selected section for both beams, W310 by 28.3 for both determinate and indeterminate beams. So why is the section the same? Because we get the same moment from bending moment diagrams for both beams, and the second reason is due to compact section. If clear spacing between the wooden beams is mentioned, then we use the unbraced length concept, and then our sections do not remain the same for both beams. But due to our assumption of continuous bracing, the given selected section is for both the beams, and we conclude our discussion by saying that both beams are economical in this case. Thank you for watching.